Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video, we are going to make this very beautiful Rajasthani camel mirror art key holder in a very low budget using cardboard and homemade ceramic clay, and we are going to decorate it using old rakhis, some cowrie shells and cut mirrors. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. flat mirrors at the border gives it a lippen art look, and it's time to stick a hanging hook at the back, and for this I'm using M seal, and after sticking a hook at the back our project is done. So let's have a final look. I hope you all love this super easy artwork in budget. So for more such videos, subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.